Hi everyone, welcome back to the Planet Pearl YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pearlin and I live in Christchurch, New Zealand with my family. And so after a week of slow making and noticing that the weather has changed, I just wanted to sit down and chat for a few minutes. It's funny, I didn't even realize the season was changing until someone at work mentioned it's getting darker earlier. And then I noticed it. The mornings feel kind of a little bit chill and the sunlight is a little bit different. The light in the evening is a little bit different. The evenings come quicker. And I feel like there is this glow in the evening light, which I like to call the autumnal glow. And without even planning to, I think I've started nesting. I've been sorting embroidery threads, cutting quilt fabric, picking up my Magnolia cardigan more often. And it feels like my hands knew before my mind did that the cooler days are coming. And so, yeah, it has been quite a change within a few days, although it's officially the 1st of March and the start of autumn. So today it's raining outside. The weather, the temperature has dipped down quite a lot. It was fine in the morning. We went to church and all that. And then when we came back, it started raining in the afternoon. And now it has gotten really cold. Not really cold, but it's quite chill opposed to the weather we had a few days back. So I'm having coffee. It's just instant brew coffee. I'm not much of a coffee drinker at all, but every now and then I like to have a cup of coffee, and because of the dip in temperature, I thought it would be nice to have a cup of coffee, and it feels especially cozy here in my little creative space. And this is a thrifted mug that I got from reseller, and I really love it. It's the willow tree design. I'm not sure what it is called, but it's one of my favorite blue and white pottery. So coming back to my creative makes, Jacob had gifted me that needlepoint that you might have seen in the clip before. It was a needlepoint. It's a big needlepoint canvas that he got for me years ago with all the threads to go with it. And for the longest time, I didn't know where to put it. I didn't think that I had space for it in our little home. And I've been thinking about it again, and I think I finally have a plan for it. And that purpose, I guess, was the motivation I needed to pick it up again. And so somehow having a purpose for this project quickly, I think, removed my mental block for starting to work on it again. And I've also been decluttering a little bit. Excuse me. So I've been, like I said, I've been decluttering a little bit, and I'm passing along this bundle of yarn so someone else can use it. It has a little bit of wool, alpaca, possum blend yarn, and then there is some acrylic yarn, and there is some just plain woolen yarn. And this person that I'm giving it to only wanted all the blues, and I'm not a very big fan of blues, so I thought she can use it. And it's really exciting for me as well as comforting to me, knowing that it will continue to bring joy to someone else and it will be used. And yeah, so knit group was lovely this week, and being in a room with other makers, it always lifts up my spirit. And we're going to be having a knit along, and I have yarn from my stash ready for it. And one of our group members is translating a free German pattern for us all to knit together, which I'm really excited about. And I have yarn picked out from my stash for this project as well, and it's pink yarn, of course. I think because this is DK yarn, the project will go really fast. And it's by this yarn, the name of the yarn is called Magnolia DK Superwash Merino by Koru Designs. I'm also planning to start a new project, the Pure Joy shawl by Hohi Locatelli. And I have two yarns again, both deep stash merino silk that I picked up from Unwind Yarn Festival probably back in 2016, I think. So once the Magnolia cardigan is done in a week or two, I think I'll dive into making the Pure Joy shawl. And of course, in the middle of all this, life keeps happening. Amber also had a bit of a health scare. She had a tumor removed, and after biopsy and tests, she's cleared, which is a big relief. And now we are just waiting for her stitches to heal. And Casper, he's still a puppy. He's going to be a year old this month. Has not been able to understand what's going on with her, and so he's been jumping around and everything. So it's been quite busy as well. In the meantime, we are growing some flowering plants from seed, and it's so exciting to see the little saplings grow, and the leaves are starting to change on the trees, and the weather has shifted quite a lot. It's all ordinary and the same routine, but I really, really treasure that, because I believe there is so much comfort in ordinary days, in just cutting fabric, in winding thread, maybe knitting a row here and there, organizing stuff, and familiar routines, so it helps me to slow down, and also enjoying the creative community coming together. These are little things that I do really feel bring me joy and make me feel cozy and warm and ready for the colder months. And as autumn begins here in Christchurch, I'm looking forward to slower evenings, knitting more and creating a home that feels cozy and ready for the colder months. Truth be told, I really dread winter, because we do have beautiful winter days here in Christchurch, but I dread the days when the sun is not there, and the days start later and end faster. It does dampen my spirits a bit. So I'm trying to have this community and knitting and embroidery and cross stitch and everything, so that I won't feel I'm down or whatever. And I also have managed to start my 12 ornaments in 12 months finally. I'm a couple of months behind, but I am hoping that I will be able to catch up. And I know as we go into autumn, I know it's spring in other parts of the world. And for some people, this time isn't just about weather changing. There's a lot going on in the world that can feel really heavy and unsettling. And I hope in the little corners of your week, you can find small pockets of peace and calm, no matter what's happening around the world or around you. And yeah, that's it from me for now. Take good care of yourselves. Until next time, bye.